Whoa. Okay, everyone, you are not going to believe what I just got my hands on. Seriously.
Oh, sounds intriguing.
Hmm.
What have you found?
It's this cutting-edge pain-relieving solution. It's called Arctic Blast.
Arctic Blast, okay. Familiar name in the topical relief space. What about it caught your eye?
Well, the big claim, right? Fast and temporary relief for occasional aches and discomfort. That's
A
the headline.
standard claim for many topicals. What's their angle?
It's all about this powerful cooling liquid. They really emphasize that cooling sensation.
Ah, the cooling effect. Likely menthol-based.
Exactly. That's the primary ingredient they list. They say it helps with, pain, inflammation, even helps you move better.
Menthol does trigger cold receptors. It can create a sensation that overrides or distracts from pain signals. Makes sense.
Yeah. So like for muscle soreness, or maybe that annoying joint ache that just hangs around. This is supposedly the
The
ticket.
potential option for that kind of discomfort, yes.
Yeah. And they're really pushing it as a natural, non-invasive alternative, which, is a huge plus for a lot of people.
Avoiding pills or more invasive treatments is certainly a goal for many.
Plus, and this sounds good, it's manufactured in the USA in a CGMP facility.
Okay, CGMP. That points to good manufacturing practices. It's a quality standard, means they should have decent process controls.
Right. And they say high-quality ingredients sourced globally, so it sounds like they're not messing around with the quality aspect.
Attention to sourcing and manufacturing standards is definitely a positive indicator.
But wait, there's more. They also threw in aloe vera and arnica montana extract.
Ah, for added benefits.
Yeah, for soothing and moisturizing properties. So it's not just the icy blast, you get some skincare too, kind of.
Aloe is well known for moisturizing, and arnica has a traditional use history for bruising and muscle soreness. Interesting additions.
Okay, now this is the part that really got me. The guarantee.
Oh, what's the offer?
A 365-day money-back guarantee. A full year.
Wow, that is a long time.
A full year. Isn't it? That's, incredibly confident. Makes it feel pretty much risk-free to just try it out.
A guarantee like that certainly reduces the financial risk for the consumer. It often suggests the company strongly believes in the product's effectiveness.
And the reviews I saw, some 5-star ones, verified purchase and all that, people saying things like, it's a miracle, or finally relief.
Testimonials can be very persuasive, absolutely.
The kind of stuff that makes you lean in and go, okay, maybe this stuff actually works.
Definitely encouraging to see positive feedback. Though, it's always wise to remember experiences are individual. What works wonders for one person might not for another.
Totally fair point.
Yeah.
But then the offer they have right now,
Let me guess. A special promotion.
yeah, they're listing it as today, free, just pay shipping, I think, compared to a regular price of $37 or maybe $29, depending on the package.
A free plus shipping model. Very common for introductory offers to get the product into people's hands and generate buzz.
It's just, wow, a huge apparent discount to get you hooked, I guess.
Standard marketing tactic, but potentially a great deal if the product works for you.
So let's recap. Arctic Blast, fast relief claim, powerful cooling from menthol, made stateside under CGMP, quality ingredients, added aloe and arnica.
Don't forget the skin benefits.
Right? Soothing, moisturizing, then that insane year-long guarantee, glowing reviews, and this free introductory offer.
It paints a compelling picture.
It really makes you wonder, could this actually be the real deal for those everyday nagging pains?
It certainly brings up interesting points to consider. How does it stack up against things you've tried before? Is that cooling sensation what you're looking for?
And is that risk-free trial appealing enough to just give it a shot?
Exactly. Factors to weigh for your own situation.
Seriously, you have to check this out for yourself if any of this resonates. There's so much more to dive into.
And as always, if you have underlying health conditions or persistent pain, checking in with a healthcare professional is the best course of action.
Good point. Definitely worth exploring, though. Go take a look at the link down below in the description for all the details. See what you think.
Indeed. Thanks for bringing this one to the table.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And make sure you check out my other videos for more awesome finds.